Så Michael, så skal der sweepes.
Adjust the grip first, Mike. Adjust the grip. The first hand. Let's break his grips too. Keep the guard. Keep the guard. Mike, I want to see you go to the back the way you like there, huh? But set it up, Mike. Set it up. No rush. No rush. Yeah, push his elbow in next time. Break his grip on your chest, Mike. Break his grips on your chest there.
Og så Michael.
Op igen. Op igen.
Kom så tager du ryggen, Michael. Go, go, go. Kom så, nice, mount. Ud med armene. Præcis. Tag ryggen ind med huksene,
Control, Mike. Slow down. Control, Mike. Control, perfect. Now work the choke slowly.
Kom så Michael, arbejde på choke. Lige præcis. Behold huksene. Lige præcis. Så presser du, Michael. Så presser du.